So guys, this is the before and after of my designs. This is the modern industrial concept designs. This is your front yard. Guys, sobrang ganda po talaga ng materials niya. This is your living space area. Very, very nice. And this is the render image po ng ating living area na may napakaluwag po na espasyo. And this is your dining area with circle dining sets. And this is your kitchen area with the island counter. O diba, napaka-forma po talaga ng bahay. This is the bedroom number 1. Ayan, this is the drops image. And the render image. O diba, sobrang ganda po talaga. Talayo na po talaga. Bedroom number 2. Ayan, napakaganda with single bed. And this is the renders po ng ating bedroom number 2. Ensuite toilet and bath. Ayan. Yan, napakaganda po talaga niya. And this is the renders naman po ng ating ensuite toilet and bath. Sobrang lupit talaga. This is your laundry area. Close po itong laundry area natin. And this is the renders ng laundry area. O diba? Master's bedroom and the master's bedroom renders. Master's toilet and bath. And also the master's bedroom toilet and bath renders. Tingnan niyo naman guys, napaka-angas. Sobrang ganda po talaga kaya guys. This is a really, really great designs po talaga.